only you can see and notice the changes. Okay, so here we are going to read the poem Meadow Surprises, which is written by Louis Brandt Philip. So meadows have surprises. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass. When you walk on the grass barefooted, you just see in that feel that it is kind of velvet. And listen by the brook. Brook here is river. Okay, the sound of the river you can listen if you are paying attention. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup. You can see a butterfly also there, which is resting on a buttercup and unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up, which is sipping the nectar. Okay. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still. You can also scare a rabbit who was sitting very still previously, but when he saw you, he just moved away from there. Though at first you may not see him, when he hops, you will. Why you are not able to see him first? Because he is sitting still, and maybe you will not notice the rabbit. But when he hops, then you will notice that rabbit is moving. A dandelion whose fuzzy head was golden days ago has turned to airy parachutes that flutter when you blow. So dandelion is a kind of flower you might have seen that when you blow on it, then it flutters. Okay, it leaves gets flutter. Explore the meadow houses. There are so many houses in the meadows here, like you can see the burrows in the ground where the snakes and rats live. They are making burrows. A nest beneath tall grasses. You can find a lot of nests where the birds live. The ants' amazing mound. Ants are living by making mounds. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. So what the poet is saying, that meadows have so many surprises. You can find nature so beautiful and so many beautiful things over there only when you discover yourself, and you can yourself look and listen to the voice. Like if you can listen to the voice of the birds, which are having a different sounds. Each bird is having a different sound. You can hear the sound of the river also. That water is also producing a different kind of sound when it is moving from upside to down, and when it is falling on the stones, it is making different sounds. You are only able to notice them when you will keenly observe them, and when you listen carefully. So this is the whole poem, which is written by Louis Brandt Phillips, and he is a nature lover. He has talked about the nature, that in forest what you can find out. So I think poem is clear to everyone. Is there any problem? You can ask me, or you just show me your virtual thumbs if it is clear. Show me your virtual thumbs, children, if it is clear. And if there is any doubt, you can ask me. Clear to everyone? Avika, clear? Anshika? Riyanshi, Sharvil?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
It's an easy poem. So now we are going to know about the rhyming scheme and rhyming words. Meadows have surprises. You can look them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. Can you tell me the rhyming words here?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
A,
Nisha.
B, C.
Ma'am, look and brook.
Yes.
A B C B.
B,
Ma'am, please repeat the
C,
aim.
A B C
B.
B.
So aim of the poem is to know about the meadow surprises or learn the rhyming scheme and rhyming words. Now, same butterfly, A,
Buttercup and up. A, B, C.
A, B, C,
Ma'am, it will
C,
be
B.
next.
C. Same. Then rabbit, A, still, B, C, again B. Then head,
Ma'am, it should be continued from A, B, C, D, E, F.
beta, we are taking one paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am, from meadow to
Yes.
blue.
From meadow to brook. So you can write down the
Okay, ma'am.
questions. Write down the aim to know about the meadow surprises and learn the rhyming scheme or rhyming words of the poem. Now you can write down the first question, name the poem and its poet. You will take this paragraph. Meadows dash 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 brook. Question 1. Or you can take 2 paragraphs. If you want to take 2 paragraphs, we can take 2 paragraphs up. You can take till up. Okay. Then you can change this rhyming scheme. We will change this rhyming scheme. A, B, C, B. Like Avika was saying.
F, D. D, E, F, D. D, E, F, E.
A, B, C, B. D,
D, E, F, D, E,
F,
F,
E.
E.
Same way, we will take these 2 paragraphs. D, E, F, E. D, E, F, E. Okay, fine. So Meadow still up. Then we are going to write name the poem and its poet, question 1. Name the poem and its poet. Poem and its poet. Give rhyming words and rhyming scheme. Give rhyming words and rhyming scheme. Rhyming words
Look, brook,
and rhyming scheme.
buttercup, up,
Scheme.
E, B, C, B, still, C, F, C.
Find adjectives. Adjectives. Give antonyms. Can you tell me, children, what are adjectives here?
So, ma'am, softly.
Softly.
Softly is
verb,
adverb.
adverb.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me the adjectives. Velvet. Velvet adjectives. Velvet grass. So velvet is adjective. Then drinking straws. Drinking is adjective here. Find. Lost. Under. Upon. Up. Down. Any other antonym you can see? Rest. Work.
Ma'am, sip, spit.
Ma'am, day,
Sip,
night.
spit. Day.
Ma'am, listen, ignore. Night. Listen, ignore.
Listen. Ignore.
Ma'am, laugh and cry.
Where is laugh? Where is laugh? Fold, unfold. Unfold.
Ma'am, sit, stand.
Ma'am, sip, spit.
Sip, spit. Give homophones.
Ma'am,
Give homophones. By. By. Next. And. And. Next. C.
Ma'am, except.
C. Where is except? You have to choose from these two paragraphs which we are taking.
Walk. Ma'am, walk, walk.
Walk. Walk.
Ma'am, WOKE, walk.
I don't think so. Walk. That is different.
Ma'am,
Find
C,
possessive
C.
adjective. Find possessive adjective. Tell me the possessive adjective here.
I think no possessive adjective.
There is no possessive adjective.
Ma'am, it's
Very
drinking
good.
straws.
It's drinking straws. Is possessive adjective here. Find infinitive.
To sip.
Very good.
Ma'am, yes.
To sip. Next, give other forms of verbs. Give other forms of verbs. Other forms of verbs.
Ma'am, we can write of listen.
Yes. Have, had. You can write. Shall I rub these two questions?
Ma'am, what is the adjective